This one is the hearing aid without any port, without any charging port. You can see there's no charging port. This is volume control. This is on off button. This is LED light, and this is the press to put the earbud. And this compartment, this screw here, there's a screw here. You can see there's a screw here, very tiny screw, for you to put in the battery, the replaceable battery, but not rechargeable. Here is written not rechargeable. Not rechargeable. Okay, let me try to put in the battery, see if I can do it or not. Oh, it's better. Okay, screw it out, and the compartment can be opened. I can't remember how to open it. Yesterday I opened once. Let me see. Okay, compartment open like this. Then put the battery in, close it, power on. LED light is not on. This is not rechargeable type, and this is the unit is faulty. Can't even be power on. Okay, if you don't believe me, never mind. I'll change another battery. I'll press another battery. This is new battery. Okay, new battery comes with it. Okay. Yeah. Still can't power on. There's no LED light. Okay. That's it. It is totally faulty. Totally unusable.